Hey, good evening, folks. It's BA here, and it's time for me to take a few moments and give you our portfolio's performance recap. We'll take a look at how the different strategies are performing in this current market environment. So let's get started. We'll take a look at the retirement account, the portfolio margined account, and the large account. All of these are traded inside what I call the trade like a hedge fund manager approach. So we use a variety of strategies and tactics inside this to get to our desired end state. So in the retirement account, we primarily focus on the SPX, and we're trading credit spreads, iron condors, broken wing butterflies. So this little bugger here we're down about 7% in 9 months of trading. Again, I'm not worried about this at all, because what we're waiting for is that down blip in the market. First time this market spirals down 50, 75 points, which could happen in 1 to 2 days based on almost 4 months of straight up movement. This account's it'll be up 50% inside of a day. So we just continue rolling those short call spreads, collecting more premium, improving our position, and just waiting for the down move. I'm not going to over adjust this thing. I'm just waiting. We're way overdue for some type of a pullback. So that's where we stand in that portfolio. Yes, it's real money. It's my retirement account. So it's not some fictitious account. Okay, portfolio margin account, again, a real account. We carved out $100,000 in here so you can see how this actually works. And we're at 4.4 months. We're up a little over 41% in the account. And just added to my short stock market position here just a few minutes ago, and went short more S&P 500 futures. So you can see all the portfolio stats here. I'm not going to go through that. Large account, this is just a brief explanation until I get everything operational on the website. Hey, this large account is one strategy, one market. We're shooting for 2% a month. We've doubled it, more than doubled it in 26.5, a little over 26 and a half months. So that's where we stand in that account there. So it's trading strangles and short calls, short puts, and that's how we've gotten to that return. Now, if you're moving over here, we'll look at the swing for the fence portfolio. So I've got one active right now started with 25 grand, and I've got a small account here. As soon as the funds clear, we'll start trading it with 5 grand. So our objective here is to double the portfolio every 12 months. So you can see here we're right on track in this portfolio. We've been trading it almost 6 months. We're up 62%. We had a real bad stretch for 55 days. We took our first loss in this thing, but we're still up 62% in this time period here. So again, that's our swing for the fence. Just a really exciting program for trading one market, one strategy, and some variations. So anyway, hey, that's a wrap for the portfolios update. This is BA signing out.